Hey, this is Continue Production back with another video. So, I was editing this video earlier, and every time I try to save it, it gives me an error code. So, for a lot of people that have been getting an error code like that on Final Cut Pro, I'll show you how to get past that, like how to fix it. So, I want you to stay tuned and watch the whole video. It's really quick and easy, so stay tuned.
Watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy.
Hold up, wait. Before we continue with this video, I want you to stop. Go like this video, share it with your friend, and make sure you subscribe. That's all I need you to do right now. Thank you.
I'm calling for you. Yeah, I know it's the unknown.